Hi everyone, for my assignment today I'm going to be answering the question, describe several techniques for measuring brain activity during the performance of a motor skill. So first off, I wanted to define what electroencephalography is, which basically is a test that shows us the electrical activity in our brain. So there are numerous ways that we can tell when our brain is activated during the performance of a motor skill. So there's a PET scan, which is what we most all know, or an fMRI. Today I'm going to be going into depth about the fMRI, which is a functional magnetic resonance imaging. It is a neuroimage technique that measures blood flow. Blood flow changes by detecting blood oxygenation levels while the person is performing a skill or activity, and this is shown through the MRI scanner. It basically shows us which part of the brain is being heavily engaged to produce this specific movement that the person is doing. Basically, it measures the blood volume while the blood oxygenation to give us a sense of which part of the brain is working. So yeah, it shows us which part of the brain is more active and how it's using more oxygen to complete the specific movement. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about is magnetoencephalography, which is a magnetic field created by neuronal activity in the brain. Basically, electricity is being produced as a byproduct. It is a TMS, which is a transcranial magnetic stimulation, a method in which a short burst of a field of magnetic waves is directed at a specific area of the cortex. So this can create a magnetic field outside of our brains, and it basically changes electric activity inside of our brains. So it allows us to activate a certain part of the brain to see if it's functioning correctly. So yeah, the positron emission topography, the PET scan, is basically a neuroimage technique that measures blood flow in the brain and it detects activated brain regions. So those are the most important techniques that are used for measuring brain activity during the performance of a motor skill. Thank you.